And welcome to Actiondyne Industries. My name is Matt. This is the Procreate tutorials. I'm going to be showing you my DigiFill pack, which is a pack of Procreate brushes. That is a it's a fill brush, so it's designed to cover the whole canvas very quickly. And it kind of creates a, cool sort of digital or glitchy kind of effect. So where do you get them? If you go to our website, actiondyneindustries.com, you can get to them from there. At the very bottom, there's a Procreate section. I'm also going to give the link in the description directly to the Gumroad store page, where all of the stuff is easier to find together. And there you will find right here, I've got the ADI Glitch Fill CX brushes, the free one. And to get the whole pack, it's at least $1. And on either of these, if you feel like donating more to the artist, which is me, you can go ahead and do that too. Nothing will stop you. But yeah, that one is free. The other one is only $1. And I will show you what they look like so you can decide if it's right for you. Let's hop into Procreate. And I've already got my brush set pull up. I've got bright green that I'm painting with here. Bum, 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 bum. And by the way, that space background behind me was done with another brush set of mine, the Nebulaction brush set. Let's start with this first one. Whoa. So I'm still painting, and if I let go and paint again, it gets crazier each time you do it. If I bring up the size, see, I mean, very quickly we've got potential like cool background for something, but it has kind of a glitchy look to it. We'll clear that out. We'll move up to number 2. Similar. Let's bring up the size. Different shape. It's doing it a little bit differently. Similar thing. Every time I go over it, kind of gives it that look. Number 3. This one is pretty similar. Yeah, just a bunch of rectangles. Going by pretty quick. This one does a little bit of like a smudging, I think. Like some of these are coming out kind of blurred. It's cool. Go to number 4. Let's bring up the size a little bit. Oh, what happened there? Oh, that's crazy. Whoa. Okay, so let's go on to number 5. Let's switch colors. Let's do kind of an electric blue here. This looks kind of staticky, repeaty, glitch. You paint over it again. Sorry, I can make that a little bit bigger. I'm painting with a decent sized brush, and that's that's really what these are designed for. If I do a little small one, I suppose I can get like little pockets of detail to catch the eye over in the corner. I don't know. Let you decide. Let's clear that out. Number 6. Whoa. This could almost be used as a canvas, splotchy canvas texture. These are actually like surrogate designs in there, but it is kind of hard to tell. Number 7. Whoa. Go over it again. It's destroying it even further every time you paint over it. That is cool. Clear that out. 7C. This is the free one, I believe, if I remember right. Doesn't matter what color you have picked. This is pretty much what you're going to get. but it's pretty rad. So it kind of takes what you've already got and glitches it. I haven't tried this on a photo. It'd probably be kind of interesting to try. So let's clear that. And this one, I didn't think this one really fit. If this is even in there, or is this just one that's just still in my list that I never packaged with them. But if this is in there, I think this is something where like it maybe doesn't entirely fit, but it's still kind of cool. I'll let you decide. I mean, it's like, heck, I made it. You can have it. Oh, here we go. Maybe this is a free one. It's one of these color ones. But again, like I've got this electric blue color chosen. It doesn't really matter. So it's your color preference. Color choices get glitched out using these brushes. So they've hacked your brain. I haven't hacked your brain. I don't hack. And I've got these. I made these textures for video game, and so I made some brushes out of them as well, because they're kind of cool. They're all a little different in how they paint that down. But that I think is actually a pretty decent sized pattern. It's got some depth to it. But right, you know, this would be a cool background. Put some text on there. You know, get your imagination going with some of this stuff. But anyway, that's the list. Those are the brushes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, which really wasn't, maybe it wasn't a tutorial, but a walkthrough, a demo, a sample. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a good night.